Hello, guten Tag. నా పేరు బద్రి. Welcome to Foreign Languages Institute, Dilshuk Nagar, Hyderabad. In this video, we are going to discuss Goethe Zertifikat A1, Lesson Part, Teil 1. Let's begin our video. In Lesson Teil 1 lesen Sie die beiden Texte und die Aufgaben 1 bis 5. Lesen Sie, you read die beiden Texte, the both texts und die Aufgaben and the tasks 1 bis 5, 1 to 5. Kreuzen Sie an, ankreuzen, separable verb. So ankreuzen is like to cross. Kreuzen Sie an, richtig oder falsch, true or false. So here will be given a paragraph and followed by two questions. So we read the questions and read the paragraph and check whether the given statements richtig oder falsch. So in the first paragraph we'll have two questions and in the second paragraph we'll have three questions. Okay. Now first you see the questions 1 and 2. Lies zoek komt nach halb eins an. Lies zoek komt nach halb eins an. Uncommon, separable verb. Uncommon, to arrive. What zoek? Whose Lies zoek? So Lies zoek arrives. Nach. Nach means after. Halb eins. Halb eins like 12:30. So Lies zoek comes nach halb eins an. So Lies zoek arrives after 12:30. So here nach halb eins, after 12:30. Second one. Karin wartet den ganzen Vormittag vor der Auskunft. Karin wartet is waiting. Den ganzen Vormittag. Den ganzen, the whole, Vormittag. Mittag is like noon. Vormittag is like it's you can say 10 to 9 to 12. 9 to 12 we call it as a Vormittag. Then ganzen Vormittag means from 9 to 12 is waiting for their Auskunft, before the information. So here den ganzen Vormittag is important. So when you are reading the paragraph, be careful. So these words are very, very important. Okay. So the questions will be very tricky. It's just not like normal questions. Anyway, once we read the text, we'll understand whether how, okay, these questions are tricky. Clear? So we have to identify the information whether look Lies zoek is train. Lies zoek means train is coming, arriving after 12:30, and Karin is waiting before the information. Then ganzen Vormittag. Clear now? See the paragraph. Danke für deine Mail. Danke für deine Mail. Thank you for your mail. Danke für deine Mail. Dein Zug kommt hier in Hannover 6 nach halb 13 Uhr an. Dein Zug, your Zug. Now here, who is writing this letter, email? Karin. Karin is writing the letter. To whom? To Lies. Okay, to Lee. So, danke für deine Mail. So, Karin is saying that, thanks for your mail. Dein Zug kommt. Your train comes. Whose train? Lies train. So, your train unkommt arrives here in Hanover. Okay, it arrives here in Hanover. 6 nach halb 13 Uhr. Okay, at 12:36. Now, okay, this is the first information that we have read. Now, from this, we can answer the first question. You can see here, Lies zoek kommt nach halb eins an. So the train arrives at after 12:30. What is given in the paragraph? It is coming, it is arriving at 12:36. So here in the question also it mentioned after 12:30. Yes, 12:36. So the answer is richtig. Clear? Next one. Ich bin ab Viertel nach 12 Uhr im Hauptbahnhof und warte auf dich vor der Auskunft. Ich bin, I am, ab Viertel nach 12. Okay, from 12:15 onwards im Hauptbahnhof, in the main railway station, und warte auf dich, and I'm waiting for you. Okay, since when is waiting? From 12:15 is waiting for lease and for their Auskunft, before the information. Now you can see the second question here. Karin wartet den ganzen Vormittag. Okay, the whole like a morning. No. So Vormittag normally it is 9 to 12, but is waiting from 12:15. Okay, of course is waiting for their Auskunft, but the timing is wrong. So this is false. Clear. Now we'll see the remaining text. Du kannst mich den ganzen Vormittag auf meinem Handy erreichen. Du kannst erreichen, like you can reach me den ganzen Vormittag, the whole morning. You can reach me the whole like morning, like 9 to 12, auf meinem Handy, on my mobile. So this is the mobile number is given. So in the second question it is mentioned den ganzen Vormittag. Yes, but on the mobile. Is not waiting. Okay, is waiting from 12:15, but he can reach that guy in the phone, like on the phone, 9 to 12. Okay, den ganzen Vormittag. Clear? So it is false. So deine Karin. Clear. Now here we'll have also one example. If you see here, Lis Sog kommt aus Hanover. Lis Sog is coming from Hanover. Okay, no, the train is arriving in Hanover. The train is, okay, the destination, maybe the destination is in Hanover. Okay, it's not coming from Hanover, so it will be false. Clear? Yeah, we have another text. So far we have done only 1 and 2. Now remaining 3, 4, 5. So there is again mail and followed by the questions. 3 questions, third, fourth and fifth. So first we read the questions. Ralf hatte am letzten Wochenende Geburtstag. Ralf hatte Geburtstag. Ralf had birthday when am letzten Wochenende, on the last weekend. So we have to be very careful. Okay, some keywords like on the last weekend, whether it is this weekend, last weekend or coming weekend. Okay, it is very very important. Next one, Ralf hat nur 2 oder 3 Leute eingeladen. So Ralf hat eingeladen. Ralf has invited nur only 2 oder 3 Leute. Okay, only 2 or 3 people he has invited. Next one, the party findet draußen statt. Statt findet, separable verb. So the party takes place draußen, outside. The party takes place outside. We have to check whether it takes place outside or inside. Okay, this is very very important. This text, bis zum Wochenende, till the weekend. Who is writing this mail? Ralph is writing. Okay, to whom? Carmen. So liebe Carmen, like dear Carmen, am kommenden Sonntag habe ich Geburtstag. Am kommenden Sonntag. Am Sonntag, on Sunday. Kommenden. Kommenden means coming. On the coming Sunday, habe ich Geburtstag. I have birthday. Now, with this we can answer the first question. You can see the question. Ralf hatte am letzten Wochenende Geburtstag. Ralf has birthday on the last weekend. Ralf has birthday on the coming weekend. So third one is false. So I told you earlier. So this letzten, okay, kommenden. So these words are very very important. Wochenende is common. Here also it is in the text it is mentioned that Wochenende, but whether it is this weekend, last weekend or coming weekend, that is very very important. Next one, am kommenden Sonntag habe ich Geburtstag. Ich möchte gerne mit dir feiern. Ich möchte feiern. I would like to celebrate mit dir with you. I would like to celebrate with you and lade dich herzlich zu meiner Party am Samstagabend ein. Und lade lada, I'm inviting, dich, you, I'm inviting you, herzlich, heartily, so meiner Party, to my birthday party, am Samstagabend, on Saturday evening. Wir fangen 21 Uhr an. Anfangen, separable verb. Okay, we start or we begin at 21. Is this okay for dich? Is that okay for you? Is this okay for dich? Is that okay for you? Es werden viele Leute da sein. Es werden sein. Okay, da viele Leute. There will be many people. Okay, so in the party there will be many people. Die du auch kennst. Du kennst, you know, auch also the. So this the refers to the Leute. So you also know those people. Kannst du vielleicht einen Salat mitbringen? Kannst du mitbringen? Can you bring along with vielleicht perhaps einen Salat? Okay, perhaps can you bring a salad? Okay, so there will be lot of people in the birthday party. Now with this we can answer this fourth question. Ralph hat nur 2 oder 3 Leute eingeladen. So Ralph has invited only 2 to 3 people. No, it is false. He has invited many people. Viele Leute the sign. Next one. Und vergiss bitte nicht einen Pullover oder eine Jacke. Und vergiss bitte nicht, don't forget, einen Pullover oder eine Jacke, a sweater or a jacket. Wir wollen nämlich draußen im Garten feiern. Wir wollen feiern. Okay, we want to celebrate draußen, outside, im Garten, in the garden. Ich freue mich sehr auf dich. Sich freuen auf means looking forward. I'm looking forward for you. Okay, so where they are going to celebrate? They want to celebrate outside. So with this we can answer the fifth question. The party findet draußen statt. The party takes place outside. Yes, richtig. Clear? So this is how we answer these questions. So first, whenever you have this like this comprehension, first read the questions, then go to the paragraph, and while you are reading, for what you are reading the paragraph, keep in mind the questions, then read the paragraph carefully and try to answer the questions. Okay, that's all in this session. In the next session, we'll discuss with another topic. Till then, cheers.